Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to find and delete hidden subscriptions on your iPhone. If you're getting charged for apps you forgot about, here's how to uncover and cancel them. First, open your settings app and then tap your Apple ID name at the top, then select subscriptions. Next, here you'll see all your active and expired subscriptions, and tap the one you do not want, then hit cancel subscriptions. If you do not see the subscription, open the app store and tap on your profile and then tap subscription, and yeah, here it shows the same hidden list. Now safety tip: always cancel directly through Apple, never from random emails or texts claiming to manage subscriptions. Those are usually scams. Quick fix: if you still cannot find a subscription, check your email or for Apple receipts and note which Apple ID was charged. Sometimes subscriptions are tied to a different Apple ID you've used. And yeah, that's it. I hope this video helped you guys on how to find and delete hidden subscriptions on your iPhone. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple quick fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.